So, sooner or later, we are all going to hurt our shoulders. And here you are with a hurt shoulder. What are you going to do? Well, today I want to show you 3 special exercises that are going to help your shoulder feel better as fast as possible. Now, I want you to stay till the end because I'm going to show you how I want you to also position your shoulder at night so that you can sleep better. Because trust me when I tell you, when you don't sleep, your shoulder hurts worse. So let's talk about those 3 shoulder exercises that I love. The first one is called a pendulum exercise. Now, a pendulum exercise is designed to make your shoulder muscles relax and for you to feel better. And this is how you're going to do a pendulum exercise. You're going to lean against some surface. It might be a kitchen table. It might be the end table in your living room. It might be your bed. But what you're going to do is you are going to support your upper body and you're going to let that arm dangle. Dangle so that it's straight up and down. So it's pointing towards the floor. And from there, you are going to use your body weight to gently let it go back and forth. You're letting the weight of your arm move that arm back and forth. And there's 4 different directions that I want you to move. If this is a compass, I want you to move north and south. And then I want you to go east and west. And then you're going to go around the world clockwise. And you're going to go around the world counterclockwise. Now, the key to this is that repetition is your friend. So the more you do it, the looser that shoulder is going to be and the less pain you're going to have in that arm. You really should try to do this 20, 30, even 40 times in a row. And you can do it throughout the day. So that's a pendulum exercise. Now, the next exercise, you do need a piece of equipment. And that is any kind of inflatable ball. Now, in this case, I've got my good old gym ball. It doesn't matter how high or how small it is, because you can put it on whatever surface you want. And all I want you to do is roll that ball forward and back. Forward and back. You're resting your arm fully on the ball. So the ball is holding your arm up. You're not holding your arm up. The ball's holding your arm up. And you just go back and forth. If you want to lean into it a little bit. And the whole idea is to some degree, you are stretching that arm out. And again, repetition. So ball rolling is a great way to relax your arm. Here is the last one. Now this needs a special piece of equipment. And those are overhead pulleys. Now, I'm going to tell you that not all pulleys are alike. And you are going to see pulleys that you can buy where the pulley is all the way back here. In fact, it doesn't have this outrigger attachment. I do not want that. I want you to get this pulley, the one with an outrigger. Because what will happen is you can get that pulley either here or you can push it all the way out to here. And believe it or not, that makes a difference. Now, in the description of this video, I have a link on how to get this specific overhead pulley. This is really the top of the line pulley that I want you to get. And this is what it's going to look like. Right, so you put it over your door. fits over any door. You're going to sit, and you're going to hold on to these pulleys in a palm up position. This is palm down. This is palm up. And you're simply going to have the, quote, good arm push down. And it allows the bad arm to passively go up, right? So in this case, this arm isn't doing anything except holding on. This arm is doing all the work. I don't have 3 arms, so I can't point to it. But it looks just like this. And it's repetition. It's repetition. Doesn't matter how high you go. But with repetition, that'll start loosening up that shoulder. It takes work to do that. And it takes work to not help with this hand. I don't want you to help with that hand. Right? So that's what that looks like. Overhead pulleys. That's the only special equipment you need. And this one in particular is huge. Now, let's talk about sleeping at night. How do you position yourself so that you're comfortable? Let me show you. So, you're going to take however many pillows you need under your head, and you're also going to use a pillow under your arm. And this is what I want you to think about. I want you to use pillows so that your sore arm is out and up. So it's going to look like this. That arm is out to the side and up a little bit. Now, I don't know how many pillows you need. You can figure it out. You might need a big pillow. You might need a little pillow. But this is how I want you to sleep at night with your shoulder, and that'll make it the most comfortable. So, I hope that this helps. Let me know how that feels. And as always, let me know if you have any questions. Good luck with your shoulder.